good afternoon Year 2 and welcome to a times table lesson. I'm going to share my screen and let's get started. Okay, I'm going to do a model of a times question and a model of a divine question with you, and then I'm going to let you have a go at doing the quiz on Teams. Today we're going to be looking at our 2s, 5s and 10s and a mixtures of questions on those times tables. You've got to read the question really carefully. Now we have 3 methods when we're doing our times tables. We can draw, we can count in steps, or we can use a number line. So we can use all of these methods for times and division, and I'm going to model to you now how to do it. Right, let's go. Are you ready? The first one we're going to do is 5 times 2. So for times, we're looking at lots of. We're looking at groups of. So I'm going to draw 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And in each group, there is going to be 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. How much is that all together? Let's count in 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So my answer is going to be 10. Another way I could do it is I could get 5 groups like this, and I could count in 2s. Okay, so 5 groups and I could count in 2s. So each group is going to be 2. Are you ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So again, 5 times 2 is 10. Or another way we could do it is we could draw a number line and we could count in steps. So we count 5 groups of 2. So we get 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups. And then we put 0. We start with 0 at the end. And we count each of these groups in 2. So we get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Well done. Fantastic. So that's the 3 different ways that you can solve a times number sentence. I'm going to do a division one with you now, and then you can go on to Teams and do your times table quiz. So we've got 8 divided by 2. So that means 8 shared into 2 groups, or how many groups of 2 go into 8? So I'm going to draw my 2 groups, and then I'm going to share 8 between them. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in each group, I have got 4. Another way I can do it is I can count in 2s until I get to 8, and I can see how many groups of 2 make 8. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8. We've got 4 groups of 2. And the last way we can do it is we can draw our number line, and then we can count in, we're going to start at this end, and we're going to count in 2s back from 8. So that's not very good, 8. Let me have another go at drawing that. It's not very, this pen isn't very good when you're drawing it on like, there we go, much better. Let's see how many 2s get us back to 0. So how many 2s are in 8? So we've got take away 2, it's going to take us back to 6. Take away another 2, it's going to get us to 4. Another one, we get to 2. And our last 2 gets us to 0. So how many 2s are in 8? Our answer is still 4. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. So when you go on to Teams now, you're going to have about 16 questions. Some of them are division and some of them are times, and you're going to work them out. You can choose which method you use. But as I said, let's try and get more of us using our mental methods, our counting those steps to work out the answers. Have fun. Be really careful with the division ones, because remember, you're counting how many groups make that number, not just that number. Okay, have fun. I look forward to seeing your scores on Teams, and I'll see you later. Bye for now.